Hello guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial on EdTech channel. On today's video, I'll be designing or verify your account. As you can see, verify your account, and this interface I'll be designing this using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As you can see, like for example, a code has been sent to your email. I just have to input the code here and my account will be verified. But as you can see, what is written down here, it said this is the sign only. We didn't actually send you an email as we don't have your email right now. So this is just a design. I know you will love to design this on your own, and if you wish to do that, keep watching this video to the end, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, comment to see the new uploaded video. Alright, let's dive right to the coding aspect. Alright, I'm just gonna minimize this. Alright, so here is my folder. So I have my index.html, which contains the HTML code. I have my script.javascript.js. Here contains the script, the JavaScript code, and I have my style.css. And here it contains the CSS code. So I'm just going to open this on the code editor. So you can open this on any code editor of your choice, but I love to make use of the Visual Studio Code. So here is my HTML, and now here is the CSS, and here is the JavaScript for this particular work. So here are my estimated file. So I have the document type, which is HTML, and the language. So here is the head. So under this head, I have the referral, the links to this CSS. Here is the link to my CSS, and under this we have the title, which is verify account, and this title is holding the name of my channel, EdTech channel. So here is my body. In between this body, it contains all what will be displaying in the interface of the browser. So here is the div with the class container. So this contains all the other necessary things that will be input in. So you have my header 2, which will verify your account name. So here's the paragraph, which is the P. So with this write up, we emailed you the 6-digit code to code underscore guide dot at email.com. I just input any email that come to my end. I can even change this to anything like MC Haley. As you can see that. So if I refresh the page, you will just see it like that. So I break it down. There's the break line. So enter the code below to confirm your email. So that's it. So on top, so down here, I create another div with the class code container. So this contains all the input, the form stuff, the input, where I will be input all the necessary um, code being sent to me. So here's the input. So I have this the small with the class info. So this is the write-up written down below the sign that hold these write-ups. So here's the write-ups, and here is the link to this to the script. So yes, so this is all about the HTML. So let me just go back to the CSS. So as you can see, this is the at import. So I actually copy this from the font.google.com. So I just navigate to that. So I have my box sizing and the box and the border box. So here's the body here. Here's the body. So I just style the body here. So the background color, so the font family, the display, align, I think, justifies content, the height, the overflow, the margin, another. Here's the container. Here's the code container, and all this you're seeing here is to purify the container from the div, which is the class on the div. As you can see, here's the container, here is the code editor, we have the info, another. So this CSS was used to purify the HTML to make it look perfect. So as you can see, we have the background color, we have the border, we have the border radius, the padding, we have the maximum width, we have the text align, which is the center. This is the code, I think, container. So he has the all the stuff, and we have others. Here's the code only to start the code. Here's the code only, and here's the code WebKit. Outer spinner body. So we have the code validate, are valid. Sorry. So we have the info. So we have the intermediate, the code as well. So all the CSS is to make our HTML look beautiful. So I want you guys to keep following the steps, so you'll be able to design this on your own. As you can see that it looks great, and we have our CSS, the what's it called, the JavaScript right here. So here's the little code to make it work out with the design. We have the code, document query, selector all. So the code, so like that, as you can see that. So everything looks perfect and well arranged. So after all this code was put together, everything was put together. So we now have this, as you can see that. So we have this, which is, for example, if the code was sent to my email, just come right here, input the code here, and my account will got verified automatically. So here's the simple work I just kept working on, and to show you guys how beautiful it is and all the steps to take to do something like this. So all right guys, thank you for stay tuned for watching this video from the beginning to the end. So I would love you guys to subscribe to this channel, smash the subscribe button, and if you have any other message to send to me, or to um you have any other question, just feel free to drop it on the comment section. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you on another video.